So it's that time of year again. We're shopping for Christmas gifts, and so during this time I always like to support small businesses as much as I can, and I've been buying little presents here and there. These gifts make such a great Christmas stuffer for the stockings. And okay, so yeah, anyways, I'm just so excited because when I opened the package, I fell in love. So this company is called Wishes by Hart. I will link their store and Instagram in the video description for you guys to check it out if you guys are interested. And so basically they create these themed wish bracelets, so if you're into that or if you have family members that are into that, check it out. Like I said, it's all like themed, like Disney, Wizard, like Harry Potter, Snoopy, so many cute. There's also a Beauty and the Beast that I'm definitely going back to get in the future, but right now I'm just like buying right now for friends and family, and I'm so happy, even though my brother did tell me that I chose the wrong house colors, and it's like, darn it. But like I didn't want to ask him because I just didn't want the surprise to be ruined. So yeah, but I hope she likes it. And yeah, so with Wishes by Heart, you do get to kind of like personalize it a little bit. So you get to choose the charm, obviously because it is Harry Potter theme, you get to choose like the colors of the house. And even like the cardstock paper, you get to choose like the image that you want on there. I thought it was pretty cool. So yeah, this is kind of like I ended up making with the options that she gave me, and I'm so happy. So yeah, if you have family members or friends that are into like wish bracelets, check her out. It's so happy, so cute. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.